The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi dear children, exam ഒക്കെ എളുപ്പമാണോ? നന്നായി അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തോ എല്ലാവരും? ടീച്ചർ വളരെ ഹാപ്പിയാണ് കേട്ടോ. മാത്സ് എല്ലാവരും ഏകദേശം എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളും നന്നായി ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. വളരെ കുറച്ച് പേർ, 1-2 പേർ മാത്രമേ കുറച്ച് പുറകിലേക്ക് പോയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അതിന് കാരണമുണ്ട്. എന്താണ്? അപ് ടു ഡേറ്റായി പഠിച്ചു പോയിട്ടില്ല അല്ലേ? ക്ലാസ് കറക്റ്റായി കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല, അപ് ടു ഡേറ്റായി പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? പറ്റില്ല. നമുക്ക് നല്ല കോൺഫിഡൻസോടു കൂടി ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റണമെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? നമ്മൾക്ക് അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവണം, അധ്വാനിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവണം. നന്നായി അധ്വാനിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ അതിനുള്ള ബലം കിട്ടൂ അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നല്ലപോലെ അധ്വാനിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെയുള്ളവർക്ക് നല്ല റിസൾട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത എക്സാമിനെങ്കിലും കുറച്ചുകൂടി നന്നായി പെർഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും എന്ന് തീരുമാനിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അതിനു വേണ്ടി വീഡിയോസ് എല്ലാം കറക്റ്റായി കണ്ടുപോവുക, അപ് ടു ഡേറ്റായി കണ്ടുപോവുക, നോട്ട്സും കറക്റ്റായി ചെയ്യുക. പിന്നെയോ പഠിക്കുകയും വേണം. ഓക്കെ, അന്നന്ന് കാണുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് അന്നന്ന് തന്നെ പഠിച്ചു തീർക്കണം. അതെല്ലാ സബ്ജക്ട്സും അതേപോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. പിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടീച്ചറെ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാമല്ലോ. ഏത് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ടീച്ചറെ വേണമെങ്കിലും വിളിക്കാം. ഞങ്ങൾ റെഡിയാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡൗട്ട്സ് എല്ലാം ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്ത് തരാൻ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ അതിനൊന്നും മടിക്കണ്ട, പേടിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനെ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാം, സംശയങ്ങൾ തീർക്കാം, അപ് ടു ഡേറ്റായി പഠിച്ചു പോകണം. ഓക്കെ, നൗ we can continue our chapter which is part numbers. In last class we discussed about whole and part, that is a number and a fraction taking together like this: 2.5, 3 1/4 or 1 3/4, etc. These numbers are called mixed fractions. Now we can discuss another topic which is remainder and fraction. In last class we discussed about dividing 2 cakes among 3 children. How we divided that? Yes, we divided 2 cakes among 3 and each got how much? 2/3 part of the cakes. If we want to divide 3 cakes among 2 children, how can we divide? Yes, first we can take 2 cakes and we can give that cakes to each of them. But there will be balance 1 cake, isn't it? So we have to divide that cake into 2 equal parts and we can give to both. So each will get half of that cake. So what is the total part each one got? Yes, each one got 1.5 part of the cake, 1 full cake and half of the other cake. So we can write this as 1/2. That means 3/2 is equal to 1/2. If we take 5 cakes and we want to divide the 5 cakes among 2, how can we divide? Yes, from the 5 cakes we can give 2 cakes to each of them. Here also 1 cake will be balanced. So we have to share that cake for both of them. So each will get half of the cake. That means each one got 2 cakes and half of a cake. So if we divide 5 cakes among the 2 children, each one will get 2.5 of the cakes. That means 5/2 is equal to what? 2 1/2. Now dear children, how can we divide 9 liters of milk among 4 children? Yes, here this 9 liters of milk we can give to each child by taking 2 liters. So each will get 2 liters and 1 liter will be balance. That 1 liter we can divide equally among the 4 children so that each will get how much? 1 part out of the 4 equal parts. That means 1 by 4 liter. So the total quantity of milk each child gets will be 2 1 by 4 liter. Isn't it? 2 liters and 1 by 4 liters. So here 9 by 4 means how much? It is 2 1 by 4. Now dear children, you can see in first question we took 3 by 2 is equal to 1 1 by 2. Here in 3 by 2, 3 is greater than 2. That means numerator is greater than denominator. And what about this 5 by 2? Here also 5 is greater than 2. That means numerator is greater than denominator. In 9 by 4 also you can see 9 is in numerator and 4 is in denominator. 9 is greater than 4. So numerator is greater than denominator. These type of fractions are called improper fractions. And we wrote 3 by 2 is 1 1 by 2. 5 by 2 is what? 2 1 by 2 and 9 by 4 is 2 1 by 4. So here we wrote this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Clear? Now we can do another problem. A 20-meter long wire is cut into 3 pieces of equal length. What is the length of a piece? If we divide this 20-meter long wire into 3 equal pieces, how much will be the length of each piece? Each piece will be 6 meter long. And the balance 2 meter we have to divide into 3 equal pieces. That means the length of each piece will be 2 by 3 meter. So the length of each piece, if we divide the 20-meter long wire into 3 equal pieces, will be 20 by 3 is equal to how much? 6 2 by 3 meter. Okay. Now we can do next problem. 30 kilogram of sugar is divided equally among 8 people. How many kilograms does each get? Say in kilogram and grams. Here the quantity of sugar is equal to 30 kilogram. Number of people is given as 8 and we want to divide this 30 kilogram equally among this 8 people. So 30 when we divide with 8 we will get how much? 3. That means each can take 3 kilograms. But 6 kilogram will be balance. That 6 kilogram we have to divide among 8 so that each will get 6 by 8 kilogram. So 30 by 8 is same as how much? 3 6 by 8 kilogram. Now the additional question is what? We have to write this in kilogram and grams. So here if we divide this 30 kilogram among the 8, 30 by 8 is how much? 3 kilogram. That we got. The balance 6 kilogram we have to divide among 8. If we convert this 6 kilogram into grams, how much grams? Yes, 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So 6 kilogram is 6000 grams. So 6 by 8 kilogram means it is 6000 by 8 grams. 6000 by 8 means how much? Yes, it is 750 grams. So we got the answer how much? 3 kilograms and 750 grams. Understood? Now we can do some more examples. Write the given fractions into mixed fractions. The first one is 7/3. So here, if we divide 7 with 3, 2 3s are 6. After subtraction, we get the remainder 1. So, if we want to write this in mixed fraction, we have to write 2, that is the quotient here. Then write the remainder in the numerator and take the denominator number itself. So, the mixed fractional form for this number 7/3 is 2 1/3. Now another one, 17/2. Here, when we divide 17 with 2, 8 2s are 16. The remainder is 1. So we can write this by taking quotient 8 and write the remainder in the numerator, then take denominator itself. So the mixed fractional form for 17/2 is 8 1/2. Now we can do the third example, which is 17/3. Again, divide 17 with 3 so that 5 3s are 15. The remainder is what? 2. So here we have to write the quotient 5, take the remainder and take numerator as 3. So the mixed fractional form is 5 2/3. Next example, 17/5. If we divide this 17 with 5, we will get 3 5s are 15. The remainder is 2. So quotient 3, take the remainder 2 in the numerator and take the denominator 5. So the mixed fractional form is 3 2/5. Understood? Now dear children, I hope you understood how to write this improper fraction into mixed fraction. That means a number and a fractional form taking together. So we can wind up today's class. So we finished our part numbers chapter and you can do the problems as homework. Okay? So we can see in the next class with the new chapter. Okay? Take care. Bye.